Hi guys, this is Neela. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back for all of you with another reading and an interesting question, which is on demand. I think one of my followers had suggested this, so I thought of covering it today. So yeah, the question that we are looking at today is your relationship with them in the next 3 months. So it's not necessary that you are in a committed relationship with them. It's an overall general. We will see how is it going to go for the in the next 3 months. How does it look? Not necessary that you have to be in a committed relationship with them. If you are, it's fine. If you, even if you're not, you can check this out. So yeah. Also, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and writing to me. It really means a lot. Thanks again. I have been able to, because of you guys, I've been able to deliver some messages here, and that could only be possible because you guys wrote to me and told me what you want to watch. Thank you again, and I will keep doing it. Please keep writing to me. It really gives me a clear picture about what to do and what not to do. Okay. So, question again, your relationship with them in the next 3 months. So, as you can see, I have three piles here. This one is number one, this is the green aventurine pyramid. Number two is the red jasper, and the third one is the sunstone pyramid. Yeah, I was a little confused. This is the sunstone pyramid. Okay, so you guys can pause the video here, think about the question, think about your person, think about the situation, and then look at it. We'll be looking at overall messages or an advice that wants to come out, anything like that. Whatever comes, we'll see what is there. So yes, please go ahead and choose your piles. Timestamps are there in the description box, so you can reach out to me over there. Private reading details are open, so you guys can you know, write to me and we can look at that. Okay, so without any delay, let's begin with number one, the green aventurine. Just give me a moment. Okay, so pile number one, here we are. This is the green aventurine. Just give me a moment. I would like to just meditate over the pile once before we begin. Okay, so I did kind of feel that it is going to be stable and it's going to be okay. Like, I don't see a problem coming in as such. But let's see what the cards have to say. Stag spirit, take the lead. No place like home. Okay. Firm foundation. Okay, I have two cards which are telling me about home and in general. Two of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Just give me a second while I... Okay, so pile number one, green aventurine. So what I feel from the cards is that your relationship has had a time. I'm sure that there has been a period, or probably is going on. There is a period of difficult multitasking. Okay, like you and your person have been trying to, it could be you and your person, or it could be you, or it could be your person. Okay, I see that you have been trying to manage it somehow. Okay, because as you see, this girl, she's managing the two kind of yeah, I don't know, like some sort of bags or something, pretty much, but she's just being able to do it. All right. So, but then yeah, she needs both, by the way. So she's been doing it. All right. So I feel either you or your person have been trying to make sure that this just stays, like, okay, like there are no difficulties, there are no problems, so this just kind of manages out. But then in the next 3 months, what I'm seeing is that you guys or whoever, stag spirit, take the lead. Now I'm seeing that probably you or your person, or in this situation, I see that overall you guys will be taking the lead of moving towards your abundance. Okay, this is a very practical pile, let me be very honest. It's like a very practical approach. Now I see after this phase of two of pentacles, you guys are going to take the lead and move towards the nine of pentacles, which is stability, which is abundance, which is kind of a self content place. All right. Now I think, since we are talking about the relationship, so yeah, both of you are going to work towards moving this stability by taking some sort of a lead or some sort of a action in this connection. Okay. There is a movement that I see that you guys are getting into a better space, and through a very practical plan. Okay. What I see, there are two home cards here for me. So I think possibly you guys will be talking about commitment, marriage, firm foundation, and no place like home. This is the Four of Wands in the traditional tarot. So both indicate a home, okay, a stable home. So as I said, that in the next 3 months, what I see for you guys is that you guys are going to take this relationship to the next level. Okay, next level of stability, next level of balance, of understanding that how important the two of you are for each other, and it is important for you both to be in each other's life so that you guys are stable. Okay, for some of you, I'm also picking up that this could be your partner who might not be in the phase of acceptance. Okay, they're still thinking if I can do without this connection, probably. Okay, but now I think no, they've come to a conclusion that I can't do without this connection. I would need this so that I have a stable life, a stable home. Okay, something like that. They will need it, and they've got this. I mean, in the next 3 months, this is like a work kind of a thing, and it's not a very lovey-dovey approach. This I see as a very practical plan, a very practical plan where your person will be moving from I mean, for some of you, this could be your person will be moving from two of pentacles to a zone of nine of pentacles by taking the lead. Okay, I see that you guys might be doing some financial planning also. Okay, for people who are in a relationship and want to take it forward, like, something which would be about like, my maybe you guys were just managing, and now it's going to be taking the lead, maybe pressing the accelerator, and moving ahead in the direction which would take you to a more stable foundation. This pile is more about stability. Like in the next 3 months, I see your relationship moving towards a much stable zone, much stable. Okay, you guys, I mean, I see that both of you will be realizing the importance of each other for sure, and I do sense that you guys will be talking about marriage very strongly, I feel, because it's like till now probably this was in the air. You guys were thinking about it, but there was no practical plan around it. But if I see the surrounding cards, this is all about practicality. So probably this house which is hanging in the air will get a firm foundation now with this card. All right, so I think you guys will be talking about stability, taking it to the next level altogether, of commitment, of stability, of balance, of not just being like, let it go on the way it is. It's not going to be like that anymore. I see that you guys are actually going to take the lead and move towards abundance, and in a very, very practical way. Very practical way. So the next 3 months, I mean, a very good pile. It looks to me as if you are clearing some sort of a clutter. You are understanding that no, we have to do something. It can't go on like this. And then I see the two of you moving in a very stable manner towards a firm foundation. Okay? All right. So that's what I have for pile number one, Green Aventurine. Do let me know in the comments if this helped you, or I mean, yeah, this is like, I mean, a sort of a head prediction sort of a thing. So I know that this will only come to me when you guys see it. But yeah, do let me know if this somewhere, like, I mean, if I've described you or your person, or if I've kind of got the energies correct, then probably there's a high chance that this might resonate for you. So yeah, the next 3 months looks very positive for pile number one, Green Aventurine. Alright, so pile number two, the red jasper. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So guys, the question, of course, you know. So just give me a moment while I just meditate over this pile. Okay, so I feel it's going to be peaceful for the two of you, but let's see what the cards have to say. Rabbit spirit, now is a lucky time. Okay, well. The fates. Temptation. Five of Wands. Okay. Ace of Cups. Now I get it why I heard peace. I was confused for a moment that how come. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, so pile number two, your relationship with them in the next 3 months. Okay, so since we're tapping into both of you, this could be either you or your person coming out of a situation or ending this situation of karma, basically. I can see probably they are in a karmic condition. It could be them, it could be you. Okay, because this is a general reading, so please take how it resonates. So I think you are coming out of this. This is the devil card in this tarot, so you can get there. Like, I mean, it's like you are slowly, or your partner, they're trying to come out of this mode. Okay, trying to come out of this mode, I'm seeing. I mean, there might have been a very conflicting period in this relationship as such, where either you or your person was trying to fight for something, maybe trying to fight their feelings, maybe trying to fight their emotions, maybe trying to resist it, okay? Or this entire resistance was a karmic pattern. Okay, I see them coming out of it because, I mean, why do I say that is because they are getting into a period of accepting the fate. The following cards are telling me this because, and you know, I have a timing card also here. So it's like a story that I can see completely. Okay, so it's like your person is done with the fighting. Okay, probably. I don't know why I'm getting this from your person only. Your person is done with the fighting, and now they are coming into a zone of understanding that I can't fight my destiny. If certain things are there, they will be there, or if this has to happen, it will happen. Okay, now you could say, I mean, I don't think that they are accepting this condition to be their fate. No, because the following card I have is the Ace of Cups, so definitely I can't link the Ace of Cups with this part. All right, because this is not at all what the Ace of Cups is all about. So I'm thinking that they're finally just mellowing. I mean, they're kind of taming themselves down a bit. That, why have I been fighting so much? Why did I resist this connection so much? They're questioning, and they're understanding that, this hasn't gone. For some reason, this just hasn't gone. This is card number 17, and tarot, we have card number 17 as the star, which is again destiny, again fate, a wish fulfillment kind of a thing. So if you see, all right, this person is kind of accepting the gift of the universe. Okay, this is the gift of the universe. This relationship is the gift of the universe. So in the next 3 months, I see this process happening for them, because now is a lucky time. Rabbit spirit. Okay, now is a lucky time, and it's about timing. I think this card kind of is telling me about some kind of a divine timing. Okay, I don't know why. This is telling me about divine timing of change. Now, if you see, this is card number 49, which comes to 9 plus 4, 13. 13 is the death card in tarot. Okay, so death card actually tells endings and new beginnings. Okay, ending definitely, an end which is required to see the brighter side of life. Okay, so it is a timing card for me. Okay, so I see that in the next 3 months, your person is going through this transformation, and in general, of course, if one person goes through a transformation in a connection, it's pretty much the entire, the relationship going through this transformation. Okay, so I think that they are going to, or this relationship is going to be getting its course. Like, as in, it is going to be getting to a point of love, of acceptance, of awakening of love, the heart chakra opening up. If you were the one who was open, then now I see that your person will also open up to these feelings. Okay, because this is something that they want. This is something that they have accepted now. One second, guys. So this, sorry about the halt in between. So basically, this is from card number 13, which is the death card in tarot, to the fates, which is the star card in tarot. Now, I don't know why am I going into this analysis, but I just feel like it, because this is a transition that I can see. Like, your person is going through a reformation, literally a total change, an ending of this Five of Wands and the devil energy. So for me, what this is telling me is that either they might be in a karmic relationship or a karmic situation, or their entire resistance was karmic, to do with divine timing. But now this resistance is getting over, and they are understanding that this relationship is fated, basically. Is what they've always wanted, is the ultimate healing that they always looked for, is their wish fulfilled. Okay, and it is the Ace of Cups. It is the Ace of Cups for them. for them or for whatever. I mean, I'm picking up your person's energy a lot right now. So maybe this is their energy. Maybe this connection was in a halt because of them, and that is what is happening now. They are ending this pattern of resistance. They're just ending this pattern of resistance completely and getting into this zone. This is a very, very strong pile. Very strong pile. I usually do not convert the meanings of oracle cards into tarot. I don't know why I did it just now. It just gave me a very clear picture about this rabbit spirit. It's just jumping and taking the leap from by ending one part of your, I mean, ending one situation and moving into the other. Okay, so it just came to me. That's why I thought of telling you. Probably this has some connection with the death card. Probably they need to end a karmic situation. Maybe. Okay. Alright, so that is what I have for pile number 2, Red Jasper. Do let me know in the comments if this resonated with you. Private reading details are there in the description, so you can reach out to me there as well. And I hope that you guys got a message and you got some clarity here. And I'll keep doing these readings, and please give me your suggestions if you have some questions, suggestions or anything. I'll try to work it out for you. But yeah, give me some time because I have a lot of pending requests already. So I'm doing them one by one. Thank you so much for watching. Please take care of yourself. Bye. Okay. So here we are. Pile number 3, the final pile. This is the Sunstone Pyramid, I think. Yeah. Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay, so I'm hearing the word balance. Let's see what the cards have to say. Wombat spirit, be at home. Wow. Soulmates. Third eye chakra. The Emperor. King of Wands. Whoa. Just give me a second. Okay, pile number 3 now. I get it why I heard balance. So basically, pile number 3, what I feel your relationship with them in the next 3 months. So I think it is reaching a point of balance from both the sides. Okay, like I mean, it's not going to be any more of like only you being involved, or if it was them, then only them being involved. No, it's going to be a balance. Why? Because I see that I think your partner, okay, it's about your partner. I feel it's not your energy. Your partner is having the realization that you guys are soulmates basically. After soulmates, I have third eye chakra. So this is 4 plus 1, 5. This is 6. So do you get it? Like after 5 comes 6. So it's like this relationship was there around them. This relationship was definitely there, and they were not being able to see it probably. But with this third eye chakra opening, I see that your person has become confident about this connection. Okay, so in the next 3 months, I see them taking some sort of a action. Some kind of action they will take in this connection to make it more balanced. Or probably they'll make sure that they are showing their feelings to you more often, or maybe take another step towards you. They are getting this clarity. Okay, they're getting this clarity about this connection. It's like a awakening. Do you see this? This is like opening up of the third eye chakra. This is just giving them the epiphany that, this relationship was always there, and what were you looking for? Probably your person was looking for stability, for home, and it was here. It was right here, and they didn't see it. Okay, so but then now I see that with this third eye chakra opening up wide, your person is becoming confident, and with the King of Wands, I feel that they're going to take some sort of a action, some kind of action, because King of Wands is usually a very passionate king who will be doing what he feels like. Probably, I mean, what he wants, what he desires. Like I have two cards of desire, like even the Emperor is a person who is very sure about what they want, and they will get it at any cost. Okay, so I mean, in a good way, I'm saying, like, I mean, that's what I'm, because of the following cards. Okay, maybe they want a home with you. Okay, maybe they want a home with you. So maybe yes, they are going to be taking this turn step, or maybe making a very strong move towards you in this next 3 months. This is an ongoing process, I feel. So I think we are on June. I think they probably next month, I think that they will be understanding, because I have 4, 5, and 6. Do you get this synchronicity? So it's like around June, I feel, next month, they will be getting some sort of a eye opener event happening in their life, which will make them understand that this connection is here to stay for good. Okay, they will understand that, and they'll become confident. And actually, the process of confidence has already started, I feel. Because, I mean, if I take it in the reverse way also, your person, like, there are times when one fine day you wake up and you just feel connected to a situation or a connection, right? So, probably this has already started to happen with your person. But maybe by June, they will be fully awakened and understood. Like, they will understand what exactly do they want, like what is it exactly. They will get that clarity, and then I think in the next 3 months, within this time frame, I'm seeing them making a move towards you, a very strong move or an action plan or something. They will do something. They'll definitely do something to make this work out. Probably offer you something very tangible. Maybe make you, I mean, just give you some sort of assurance that they are there. Okay, something around those lines I'm seeing. They'll do it. This is also very positive pile. All my three piles have been in the good direction, I see. So I think they'll make some sort of a very positive move towards you, for sure. This is nothing negative. I mean, this is a very passionate energy that I'm picking up. This third eye opening has led to your person becoming extremely passionate towards this relationship. That I want this. Look at the lion at the back. It's like the lion energy that your person might be carrying. Okay, and I mean, it's all in good spirit. They're ferocious right now to just make sure that this thing happens, because probably you guys have been in separation, and they want to make this happen again. They do, I mean, if you guys are away from each other, or if you guys are not talking too much to each other, then I see that they want to do this. They want to make sure that you guys talk again. You guys are talking to each other again. You guys are with each other again. They're going to do something very, very passionate. But this move will definitely come from them within this next 3 months, I feel. So 3 months would be like, we just started May, so May, June, July, or probably beginning of August side. So yeah, they will do something definitely. Pile number 3. Okay. All right. So that's it. That's what I have for pile number 3, guys. I hope you guys got a message, and I hope that you got clarity. Let me know in the comments if you felt that this resonated with you. And I will be back again with another reading. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you got some sort of a message, some clarity in this reading. Okay, take care. Bye.